They were the star performers yesterday, and today, nothing. That's the best part of this game. You can't get every day the scores, and this is the one which we saw the last one finishing off with the one bounce boundary. Prince striking that one. The punch in hands from the कैप्टन सिटिंग विद द हेलमेट ऑन।
कप्तान ने सदमे से अभी तक हेलमेट नहीं उतारा है और ये अच्छी रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स। ऐसे ही रन उनको बटोरने होंगे। टारगेट छोटा है, पर आपको बता दूं कि चेन्नई राइनोस के हौसले जो हैं वो काफी बढ़ गए हैं। इन 2 विकेट्स के बाद सचिन जोशी पहले और अखिल अकिनेनी दूसरे। अब प्रिंस की प्रिंसली एटीट्यूड की वजह से ही ये टीम आगे बढ़ सकती है। 70 का लक्ष्य है और क्या ये एक और झटका है कि नहीं, अंपायर डिसएग्री करते हैं। एक और मिली लीज ऑफ लाइफ।
That's the close one. Umpires unmoved. That's a good shot. I'm sure that's a brilliant take. You got to mention, give credit. Some sound would have been happened there. That's the umpires is very much sure. And Tamil Nadu Rhinos getting all excited. That's a respect for the bowler. And that's 2 dot balls. Prince, you can see the Telugu Warriors dugout, a little bit of worried faces.
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस भी सुनील कई बार आपको अपने लक्ष्य से भटका देता है और ये ऑफसाइड की तरफ एक अच्छा शॉट, पैर से उसको रोकने की कोशिश की। A feeble effort runs towards the boundaries and welcome runs for the Telugu Warriors. And the crowd cheering at anything that is produced through the blade of the Telugu Warriors. And a welcome shot at that, and Prince, who is holding fort for the Telugu Warriors, will feel a surge in confidence. Good to see them smile. Penultimate ball of the 3rd over. Power play is on, and like I said, good running between the wickets. Chapalta और चतुरता दिखाते हुए Telugu Warriors. Sunil.
Absolutely, Vineet. You know, it required at this stage, after losing 2 important wickets of Telugu Warriors. Prince and Sudhir Babu in the focus now. That's the one. That's a good effort though. Can he stop the boundary? Yes. He stopped certainly 2 runs. The previous one, he couldn't do it. After 3 overs, 21 for 2. Akhil, we all know, is a hard-working guy, and we should know that he is Nagarjuna's son, and we all know that how Nagarjuna is a hard-working superstar of this state as well.
उनकी माता जी भी एक वेल नोन एक्ट्रेस हैं, आमला, जो एक बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी में आ चुकी हैं कमल हसन के साथ। नाम याद आते ही आपको बताऊंगा उस मूवी का नाम क्या था। पुष्पक उस मूवी का नाम था। एक यादगार मूवी है, साइलेंट मूवी थी वो। क्या भूमिका निभाई थी उन्होंने।
उस मूवी का शूटिंग हुआ था बैंगलोर में, एंड डेफिनेटली देयर वाज one more movie which Nagarjuna and Miss Amla Paul acted, that's called Criminal.
और एक कोशिश करी अच्छा शॉट खेलने की, पर इंटरसेप्टेड बाय द फील्डर। नागार्जुन रामगोपाल वर्मा की पहली फिल्म में आए थे, शिवा नाम था उस मूवी का, और उसी मूवी से उनकी पहचान बनी। तो उसके बाद बन गए वो सुपरस्टार।
Absolutely, and we all know that what's his contribution towards the industry.
ऑफसाइड की तरफ प्लग करते हुए क्या फील्डर इसे इंटरसेप्ट करेगा, और एक आसान सा सिंगल। सुधीर ने भी अपना खाता खोल लिया है, और प्रिंस तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की पारी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए। पावर प्ले समाप्त हो चुके हैं, 4था ओवर चल रहा है और लक्ष्य ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। 48 रनों की दरकार है, 40 गेंदें बची हैं। मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे इस क्रिसमस डे पर 60,000 की क्षमता रखता हुआ राजीव गांधी इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम वेट कर रहा है कि कब वो बड़े शॉट्स लगेंगे और ये टोटल हम रीच करेंगे।
Absolutely missed out on the opportunity this time. Sudhir, I think we need Sudhir का एक मूवी आया था मेरे ख्याल से, बागी। उसने he acted very well, shown the quality of what an actor he was. All these South guys, young actors are very talented.
Very talented, and the industry, the South Indian film industry, is known for its professionalism, it's known for its dedication and its innovation. Bahubali has been an example of the milestone that the Indian film industry has achieved in terms of digital effects, and of course all the hard work and the length that goes into the production of these magnum opuses.
Absolutely, we need now Shantanu needs a wicket from his quota of another 3 balls left in this over.
Punched away, but will only get a single run. Well, they still have wickets in hand. They also have overs remaining. All they need to work on is application and use their acumen to further the cause and get to this total. Now let me tell you once again that this is the 6th match and they need to figure out how to get to this total as soon as possible.
Prince in action now. He missed it. I think यहाँ पे मैं जहाँ तक मेरा सोच है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि चाहे थोड़ा अटैक करें. उसी चक्कर में पहले 2 विकेट खो चुके हैं. उसके बाद they are not that comfortable.
जी बिल्कुल, जब आपके प्लान्स दे स्पिन ओवर देयर हेड तब मनोबल में तो इजाफा नहीं हो सकता. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 25 for 2. गेंदबाजी का दारोमदार उठाएंगे और अखिल अखिनेनी, mercurial captain of the Telugu Warriors, a fine actor trained from the Lee Strasberg New York Film Academy, and the crowd is just elated to be here. Watch their local superstars in action. A capacity of 60,000. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium is well versed with big games. 9 international matches have happened, 4 test matches and 5 one-day internationals. And this is the home of the Hyderabad Cricket Association.
Absolutely, Vineet. Hyderabad has really contributed very well in the Indian cricket. You have seen the famous from Shivlal Yadav to Lakshman to Oja, Raidu, ML Jaisimha, Arshad Ayub. You know, there's a list of stars who have played from here, and the contributions from this ground and this state association is a large. And target of 70 for Telugu Warriors at the moment. Looking little difficult, I would say, after losing 25, two wickets for 25 runs. And Saran Kumar comes in.